How to enable dark mode on TikTok. Open the TikTok app on your device. Tap on the icon at the bottom right to access your TikTok profile. Once on your profile, you'll notice 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. Tap on them. In the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Now, navigate down your settings until you locate the Display option. Once you have identified it, tap on the Display option. Upon entering the display settings, you'll encounter 2 distinct choices, light and dark. If you prefer a more subdued visual experience, click on dark. Your TikTok interface will seamlessly transition into a dark mode, providing a visually comfortable experience, especially in low-light environments. On the other hand, if you opt for a brighter interface, click on light, and TikTok will instantly switch to a well-lit mode. This customization allows you to tailor your TikTok experience to your preference, whether you're more inclined towards the stylish aesthetics of dark mode or the vibrant clarity of light mode. I trust you find these customization tips valuable, and I look forward to sharing more insights with you in the next video.